I'm tired.
That one yesterday, man. I got so tired I wanted to quit.
Are you getting any line?
What do you mean? Coming in. Yeah, I'm sitting hard again. So.
Try to keep your rod tip up a little higher if you can.
There. Oh, hey, you see a jump? Is that, right there, honey, look.
You better get.
Oh, he's a beaut. Look what you got here. He is gorgeous.
What do you mean? Hurry up. What do you want to do, honey? You want a net?
That's good. Don't reel no more.
Okay, stop. Look at it.
Beautiful.
Never could have done it alone. Too heavy.
How'd that feel?
Oh, that was great. Felt like it was about 50 pounds on me. Oh.
Isn't this beautiful? Nice, gorgeous morning, too.
Wow, really, that's a nice one.
It's not every day you can take your mother-in-law salmon fishing.
No.
That's right. I'm making points. Let's get another one, shall we?
Oh,
Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay.
Woo, that's a nice one.
Specialize in your technique.